Hello, welcome to Maharaja Institute of Technology, Thandavapura. This is the main entrance of the college, and from this we are situated on the NH 766 highway. From here we'll show you the approach road leading to the college. So this is the approach road to the college, where the vehicles are allowed to come inside. There is a separate parking lot allotted which will be shown later. The approach road is surrounded by the coconut plantation as well as areca nut plantation. There is a guest house available inside the campus, which you see onto the left side of the screen, where the guests to the college will be accommodated during their visit for the institute. This is the parking lot for the two-wheelers, where our students are actually not allowed to get their two-wheelers unless there is some emergency situation or some function ahead. Because since we are situated on NH 766, we encourage students to come in with the college bus provided to them. This onto the left is the guest house which we were speaking on the approach road, which is available. This will help the guests who come to the institute to stay here, where even the food will be provided to them through the home catering which is being set up in the college itself. The one that you see behind me is the outdoor sports arena of the institute, where there are plenty of games being held in the cricket ground. Some of the tournaments are being held by corporates whom we rent it, or we do have even KSCA cricket matches being held here. Some of the league matches will be held here. So this is the cricket ground. So now I'll explain the different sports courts that we have. The one that you see behind me exactly with the net is the volleyball court. Behind the volleyball court we have the basketball court for the students. On to the right side we also have the throwball court, which has not been marked as of now, but it will be available for students whenever the competitive games are being played. The cricket ground or the pitch for the cricket ground is exactly in the middle, and the students, they do use this same ground for athletics competitions as well. The running, javelin throw, as well as the throw ball, the shot put and stuff. So this is the entire ground that we have. So with this we'll move to the different facilities that are available in the college for students, like the laboratory facilities, placement cell, the library, principal's chambers. Everything will take up in the next slide. The place that where I'm standing is from the approach road. The road takes a left turn to the college. This is whenever we have the functions or something where there will be more number of people visiting the institute, we make use of some amount of space on this road for parking as well, where if there are two-wheelers, if there are four-wheelers in excess, we do park it in the open space that we have. Apart from this, we have an walkable road for the people to come inside the institute. This is covered with some gardens as well as the flowering plants that has been planted. And from this particular road, we move on to the different laboratory facilities. There are two facilities that are available outside the main building, part of the lab. One lab is exclusively for the mechanical, the other lab is the combination of mechanical and civil department labs. The one that you see right behind me is the lab where some of the civil engineering department labs like survey lab, the material testing labs are available, as well as the concrete lab, as well as the mechanical lab like foundry and forging labs are also present inside the same building that you see behind. On to the left side is the main building, where we will show you all the different classrooms and facilities. We'll now move to the lab and show you what's inside. Lab of the department. This lab, onto the right side that you see is the survey lab of the department, where all the equipment are actually placed. This equipment will be taken, and the survey lab will be conducted in the open spaces that will be conducted in the outdoor ground arena that we have. Apart from that, on to the left you see is the material testing lab, which will be used by both mechanical engineering department as well as civil engineering department. These experiments will be conducted maybe in the second year of the branches. This apparatus that you see is used for the impact test from ISOD and chapter test. Both will be conducted in this particular available machine. From this, some of the project work that are being carried out by students are also placed here. This is the wear testing machine, which will be used by mechanical engineering students to test the wear of different specimens. This is the cement block compression testing machine, which will be used by civil engineering department students. This is the hardness testing machine. Both Grinnell and Rockwell hardness testing will be conducted using this. This is the torsion testing machine, which will be used by both civil and mechanical engineering students. This is the Vickers hardness test, which is also part of the hardness testing machine. This is the tail testing machine, which will be used by civil engineering department students. This is the universal testing machine with and provision to connect the computer to obtain the results on the graph. These are the equipment that are part of the geotechnical lab of civil engineering department. There are multiple equipment that are available from this. The testing on soil as well as the mud will be conducted. So the one that you see behind me, where I am standing now, is the foundry and forging lab, which is part of mechanical engineering department, where soil testing for the mechanical students will be conducted. And to the right side, we do have two furnaces where forging will be done. These are the different animals that are available for students to work on forging. We do have a separate mud pit, sand pit inside, where the foundry sand will be put up for the students to utilize for the experiments. The furnace, we do have two gas furnaces available, which are used to bring the metal to the mold, to the state wherein they can be forged to different shapes that will be used for the experiments.